pretty sure it's spring. It feels really nice outside, and I actually decided to spontaneously do like a desk remodel. Just ordered a new Mac computer because the old one I was using was so slow and basically not running programs the way that I want to. I wasn't able to work efficiently, and it would take like, I don't even know, like an hour, I feel like, to do one simple task, like just opening up Premiere and trying to edit a video was a nightmare. It's been long overdue to upgrade. I was just putting it off for as long as I could because buying a new computer is expensive. This video is going to be mostly me like organizing my desk and setting up my new computer and trying to make my workspace as comfortable as possible. So if you're into that, definitely stick through the video, and yeah, we'll remodel it together. So much for watching. I'm going to go ahead and end out the video here. Stay tuned for the next vlog, but I hope that you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.